What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. Alright, now people, we are in the west side and we are Woodbine Mall. So somebody asked and I come in section and say, yo Jay, when you go to Woodside Mall? Alright, so I'm like, I'm here now. I'm in the west and we're gonna get it done. So check the mall out right here. They wanted me to do it because this mall is very different compared to other malls. They have like rides and stuff like that inside here at Woodbine. So you know what? Let me just go and check it out today because I got a music video to do. And people might run late. So you know what? Let's go. We're at the mall. We're going to get things done right now. So check it out, my people. As soon as you come in the mall, it's a Ferris wheel right away. Like, I don't even know if I came to this mall before, but look at this. It's a Ferris wheel right away in the mall. Like, that's crazy. Look at this. As soon as you enter the mall, my people, this will end up on right away, a Ferris wheel, right? So, we're going to walk out it now and show you guys how this mall look. You have massage chairs and thing also, you know. So let's go and check out the mall. Watch my people. It's like a different type of vibe, type of mall this is. Again, people, this is more in the west side. You can see what they're trying to develop right here. The new look of the mall. Condos, stores, the Woodbine Race Center, Woodbine Casino, Woodbine Convention Center. So it's like this place is gonna be like they even have a Bollywood movie theater here too. So we're gonna go down, walk the downstairs part first, then we walk upstairs. Alright, my peeps, so go walk it out. This mall seems not to be a lot populated, like a lot of people there, because that's how I see it looks so far. And people, I think this is my second time coming at the mall, and I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. Second time coming at this mall. Yeah, we're just gonna check it out. Let me say, it's not like a yacht deal or eating center or Scarborough Town Center to me, but it's a good mall. But it seems like it have them and drive back to the mall, you know. Yes, the have a Ferris wheel, this and that and that and this, but I don't think it's like a bam, like a showcase type of mall like Scarborough Town Center. Cause if this is Scarborough Town Center right now on a Saturday like me and shoot this my people, it would be packed up. Okay, the bay's down there, so Hudson Bay, but I don't think I'm gonna walk that side. I'm gonna walk this side first and see what I go on. This is more of the center part of how the mall looks. Some more the middle part, everybody just a vibe out and thing. And again, my people, them have an urban behavior. Look at these prices, my people, $15. They get all on pants. So by the time it was $30, let's go and check out urban behavior because they close on all of them in a Scarborough. But still, Scarface one. I go to Scarface, look, $30. It's like a 3,000 Jamaican dollar. So yeah, I have a couple of stuff I would buy still. I like that. Oh crap, I just seen a guy in something like this just now. And it's not bad too, you know. $20. You buy that with the shorts, that's what? $16 for the shirt. And they have a lot of different colors too. Just a vibe. What? Now what? The price not bad. $16, you have to pay $12. $12 for your shorts down on my people. And this is a vibe. This is something just different. Like, I would buy some of these, man. Not gonna lie, look at this. $20, $16. Like, that's gonna be a vibe. Like, even this outfit right here. It's like gonna like that much I've seen my guy school. This brown outfit right here, not crazy. The shorts to go with it. Oh my god. People, I could see the price of this one. $20. My can go office store and get a couple, but I might have to get some new outfits, man. Gotta go switch up my closet just because of you people right now. Yeah, people, I'm gonna switch up my closet. Them price not trade bad for a cheap man like me, yeah, man. Call it a day, because you don't know, so I save up the money and invest it somewhere else, you know. But the price them there, so Can't work with them type of price then, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I want to spend all 2-3 bills over this and call it a day. But they even have a Woodbine Sinistar Deluxe movie theater. They even have a movie theater here too. I think they call this one Bollywood movie theater. The final destination here. So they even have a movie theater here, man, people. Popcorn smell good and what? That's where you come a movie final. Watch it. See, them have all of the movies, them Karate Kid, Mission Impossible, Final Destination, Halo, I don't know what that one is. Fantastic Four coming soon. I don't know them about Fantastic Four movie will come out again. But yeah, look at it, my people. Look at me, can't just all walk going kind of what in there. So this is the movie theater at Woodside Square. And yeah, it's just not pop. Like to me, it's empty. I don't know how it's empty. Wow. Blessings. I don't know how the place empty with people. If you're a big mall, let's eat. That don't make no sense. But again, the population and the people at the end of the day. So yeah. We are walk through with people. We are walk through it. But I might have to buy up something close there. Now I'm gonna lie to you. I might have to switch up the swag a bit. You know? And again, my people, thanks again for everybody who come through and share live. I like the channel and the videos where we are put out and stuff like that. At the end of the day, 416-876 Jamaica. You know, so we always do a mall tour, park, beaches, and all type of different type of content around the city. You know, Jamaica do a lot of house content and building videos and all of that stuff. Alright, so okay, people. There's like a furniture store here also. Let's just check out what I want. I need something like this in my upstairs. Yeah, even that gray one. I think that gray one that can work for the upstairs. Just have this big one, you know. But I want that for like all the downstairs, you know what I mean, people? No one no leather, because leather easy to rip up and things, you know, so. Don't want no leather, but something like this would be nice for the upstairs. It's not too big and it's not too small. So, cause upstairs a studio, you know. And I have a light, look a bit of nice stuff, you know. I like this bed frame. This bed frame looks nice too. This bed LED light on it and stuff. This can go on, you know. But and it come with all the dresser and thing, my people. So yeah. I walk through what is fashion. What's this place? Fashion clothing. I don't think we're gonna see much there. They have a food court here also. You can check out the food court right now and see what type of restaurants they have here. Also, they got a Burger King inside here. Probably won't have a McDonald's here because the place is not populated or popular like that. But they have a Burger King though. They had a Cabal Express. I have Jimmy the Greek. You know? I look over here right there. And the big bad artist right there, some people.
Get some potato with some salmon fish.
I'm buy fish and my people have watching people there, you know.
Veg, you know.
That's right, cool.
Everything in here for now.
So they are Jimmy the Greek. That's cool. Alright, then we meet about a car just now, you know. Now, they had a KFC. Caribbean Queen. I don't know how them have Caribbean place and not always Asian people. Don't get it Thai, Asian food, lessons. And a bourbon grill. I used to love got bourbon grill, you know, people. They sell nice food over there. So. They have a shawarma spot right here also. So they have a couple spots. Oh, they have Philly cheese. Philly steaks. I love steaks. Philly cheese steak. Yeah, so it's not that bad of choice of foods that you can get from here. I have a Thai Express right here also. I used to love Thai Express, you know, but the portion when you give for your money not really makes sense. So yeah, I walk through the mall. I walk through this side first before we go around back to the entrance or to the exit. Like a tea booth right here, going along, you know, making it work. Used to want to work at one of them phone company back in the days, you know. Them used to make it so hard, like phone companies. You have to go through a big type of this or that just to get a local job with them. Now everybody can get a phone company job. Got TV place right there, so. It's a nice big screen right here, so now people can't know what inches, but 699, 65 inch. Oh, a 65 inch TV and stuff like that. So 699, yeah, 699. So store closing again, you see, store closing, right? So as a lot, like myself, people, them not have like the crowd. Me I look for them not have the crowd fit generate the mall, yeah, that's over here. Not really like generate the mall, you know, but like the people them overcome and shop and everything like that. It's like, and then you pay like probably 10-15,000 dollars a month to rent one of these spots, and you're not generating enough money to pay for it, and plus you have to pay for employees and all that stuff, and you know that big enough traffic to have it. Just like you see your there mall have that traffic, yeah, so then people there are come and shop and are buying this and that. Scarborough Town Centre, the same thing. But over here so should have that traffic there come through, right? But they probably have to go redevelop the mall or brand it again, because all of the place them are closing out the watches. Place close again. You understand? The next place close again. Because them not have the traffic fair come through for the expense of how expensive it is to rent out a retail store. You understand my people? So all them things that you have to look at when you invest your money and thing. Look, on the Hudson Bay, the big Hudson Bay closed down, eh? That should show you there's no money really a funnel this no more, cause if Hudson Bay can close down, and Hudson Bay is very, very big. They take up a good amount of space. You know when them renovate that, it will be different. Because Hudson Bay big, so you can have a whole heap of store, just like the one they did in a Yarddale Mall, right? So yeah, at least I'm gonna look a dollar store up in the building. That's good. Then I have a dollar store and I have no store. And right beside that, them have the Woodbine racetrack too. Might go on a little piece of that and put it in this video too also, but it all depends on my feel there, man. I can't even pronounce the name, but when I like to close them already anyway, so not waste of time. I'm have a amusement park right here though. This is dope, fantastic fair. Check it out. Yeah. So this is something different, but it's still have all of the people in here we're supposed to just, you know what I mean, people? Let me do it. Fantastic here. We out here with no fear. So it's like a city, a mini city in the mall. Check this out. This is dope. It's like a mini city. Even train tracks, water fountains, dinosaurs. Look at this, my people. This is something different. Look at this. A merry-go-round. This is what customer service center. Look at that, my people. Dinosaur. I wish these could have been open so I could just visit more places. But I have a merry-go-round in there also. Check this out. Buy your tickets and everything. Then you have one of those jumping. Wow. The stage show area also. Bad, not bad. Dinosaurs again. This is what now? Dream Play Village. Let's go enter the village. See what I want. No food or drink around this point. It's like a playground area with everything in it. Something just different. Bring your kids to. Slides, all that stuff. It's here. Oh, I think that's a play area also down there. Let me see. Can we exit from here too? Yeah, or this side? Oh, we gotta go back up. Oh, okay, say that. Okay, so you have to wear socks to go over there. No shoes allowed. But I'm just trying to show off the place. Yeah, planes right over there. Let's go check that out. And again, my people, respect to everybody who like these type of contents, like and share these videos. At least we are trying to do something new, you know, something different at the end of the day. But keep on checking out these places, people. Check it out. So the train shut them off in the mall, you know, my people. Something different, you know, man. And again, this part should be supposed to be packed because of all of them entertainment stuff here. You can come and vibe out, buy a plate of food, you know. But it's not packed. That's the thing. It's not packed. Toy factory, like I don't know. Probably have sometimes them places don't even make back over. Them just pay for them overhead and stuff, you know, my people. Like expensive still. What's this? What is this? Hey, what's up, man?
It's a 3D theater.
Oh, it's a 3D theater? Oh, it's a movie theater.
Yeah.
Alright, people, look at this. They have a movie theater right here, like, and this is look, this looks dope. So like these chairs moves and stuff. Okay. Alright, man, respect, yeah. A 3D movie theater. I wish I could see how it looks, but and again, people, it's not packed again. Not a lot of people, so how they manage to make an overhead if it's not packed. Yeah, I've never been to this side of the mall. This is upstairs now. They do have a Tim Hortons here, going along right here. And you see them not even care if you want to do your vlogging and stuff compared to like Yard Day Mall or Scarborough Town Center. Them just don't want you to vlog, like, or even a camera out to show the place. I don't know. It just make no sense to me, but that's a code. So we're gonna walk up to this all home furniture place and see what I'm going. This is a children's place also. And yeah, we just are showing you the content in our people. Showing you the vibes right now. Let's go through, you know. So again, my people, if you like this kind of content, hit me up. $750 for a table like this. Oh, nice quality type of chairs too, you know. But yeah, just can check out the different stuff. You know, some here renovation home, man. You know, so I like anything about homes. We are gonna go in there and check out the price, them, right? Oh, it goes like $49. If you look a bit at something that type of light, like one of those faucet type of light where you put up, not bad. 50% off, $40. It's not bad. I see them up on Amazon, you know. Yeah, I saw these on Amazon, and these are going for cheap too. $50, $50, my people. Come on now, look at that. Like, no, me have to come back over here now. Even these lights, 3 of them, $50. $50, my people. Chandelier, they will call them, right? Chandelier lighting style for $50. Amazon, that was $100 and something on Amazon. So, right, that's again, no, Mr. said it's a bargain place. But look at me all come here, so you know. Yeah, man, it's a bargain place. Night lamps and stuff. It's $180 for this one though. It's like a relic stones and stuff. Different lamps and stuff. Yeah. How can I drink them in myself? How can I drink them in? Bang energy. Not just one, you know. Gonna have cases and cases of them. Like they not sell. Not just that. I'm gonna walk around in this store here, man. Cause I watch back over the video, yeah. And see what I can come on afford. I do need a clock though. I do need a clock for the house. Like a mirror like that for $2 bills. Nah, sir. Nah, buy that $45 for the clock them still. And something different. We need a clock upstairs and downstairs. Cause you know we have to dip on time. Yes, I. What's these little cups and stuff? Solar lights and stuff. Glasses and stuff. Hose and stuff. It's not a bad place to come and shop. I have some small hot plates and thing too. $74. Look at nice hot plates and stuff you can buy up. But yes, it's like a nice, like a fantastic place. Oh, let's go see some of them ottomans. Ottomans or whatever they call them. These little things. I don't have a whole heap of different one, but I'm not seeing a price on them. So we're just walking through this place, people. Just to show us still a lot of things. Buy all a bed like this and send it to the yard. See box in myself. $800 if I wouldn't. 8 bills, come on now, my people. You can get this for Amazon for way cheaper than that. Come on now. Don't be an idiot. You do your research when you buy stuff. Call it a day. Simple as that. You can even make your bed out of pallets of Jamaica now. And be creative too. I want to buy one of these for the upstairs. But for $250, I can get this for Amazon for way cheaper. So, and again now, people, a big store like this, overhead cost, I'll probably want $30,000 a month, you know. $40. Get half price. Sale, get half price. This is not bad for $40, yeah? I could have this upstairs, man. For $40. $80 for it, you know. But I'm gonna give you $40. This not bad, that not bad deal. So yeah, I say you have to walk around, you know, my people, and get the right type of deal, you know, and fancy up your project and your house. You know, sometimes people come in your house, and I say you're rich out, but God no even, them not even know, say, I want 30, 40, 50, $60, you save up more time, and just run around the area them and look for deals and deals and deals, till you make it work, you understand, like, you know, they ain't no idea, but I like local lamps and stuff like that. And then big compared to the cut either one of me buy. This one's a half price blowout sale over here, so what for half price? 150 for the 150 feet share alone or 150 feet set. If this for 150, you know, my people. And you buy this and set this up at Jamaica, you know you're gone already, you know. Look at outdoor thing right here, so look a bit too small for me. I wouldn't even call it a day. But yeah, they have a lot of stuff here. A really lot of stuff here. I need to buy one of these ping pong thing, you know. Right, that's what also people can enjoy themselves. Oh damn, they even have a miniaturized pool area. Yeah, that's cool. But I'm a pool guy, seeing me still at the end of the day. But they have a whole heap of local stuff here that you can buy. Save up and buy. I love this mirror. This is a big fat mirror. Holy. So look, my people, that are code, you know, outside, but that's a nice mirror still. They in here so just so big, my people. I just only for things fear I look upon in here, so God no. I know my camera go dead, you know. But in here so just big, a whole heap of things. Watch it. And I don't know if them liquidation, then get some of them stuff upon or what. Oh, but air hockey though. I like the air hockey table, yeah. This one right here, now, people. We used to play this a lot in school. Somebody right next door to it, local restaurant, they had an air hockey table like this, and you just vibe out, you know what I mean? So I'll buy something like this, have upstairs also, because we just have focus on the upstairs of the house right now, with people. And I have enough budget for really do downstairs right now. I focus on downstairs, so I focus on one at a time again. Call it a day, but I have a whole heap of stuff here, man. A lot of stuff. You should be selling these stuff for cheaper though. Cause you don't want your store just full up so stuff. Better you liquidate out some of your stuff, the man just sell them out. And make back a look of profit and move on. Cause watch your big things, watch it. You know, so come like it's a mall itself. Oh, you know, so big. And I even lie to no people. You know, so come like a mall itself, my people. That's how big this mall. The store is not no mall. Holy, look at this. Be a different sections and stuff like that. I don't know, I can't stop walk. I can't stop walk. You need a big man. I say it better than just try sell out everything cheap and done. More than have everything just a sit down in the store like this. For them overhead, like I said, them probably pay all $50,000 a month for just rent. And the place now get that much traffic, you understand? So you have to look for all of them things, man, when they have the business. But them have a whole heap of little things in here, man. We can fancy up your house. Nah, go lie. A lot of stuff is here. Like I say, me have money, but I buy 1-2 things still. But first thing I do, I go buy a couple of them clothes first. And change up the look, you know? Change up the swag a bit. Call it a day. Because when I see things them on sale for cheap, you know my people, you have to grab them on them time there, you know, because you never know. And, yeah. Let's walk this side now, go back down to that area. And see what else is left at the mall. When I get with people, they are Woodbine Mall. And I don't think I think I've been here once, but never for walk around it. I just went to the Foot Locker, get our shoes and cut. So yeah, and Fugo, and it's like a cheap place where you can buy stuff. You send a yard or abroad. Yeah, Fugo. They used to have one in Scarborough, in Cedarbury Mall, but them closed it down. So be clocks. Can't have a store like that, you know, my people. Because you overhead so much on a clock you sell. How much time people are going to come buy a clock? That don't make no sense, man. So you have a Foot Locker right here also. That's good. It's one of the bigger store them I have here. You know, so that's good. They got a sale going on. The music is playing, so I can't really go inside there. That's a code. Yeah, let's check it out. Well, it's not a leather place. Be a leather then sell. And yeah, this is the upstairs of the mall. We just want to do a quick walkthrough again. Then head out to go shoot my video. They're not calling me yet, so they're not ready yet. So that's good. I have a good chatter company right here going along too. And yeah, the mall is bigger than I thought. Burger King. Then I get the food. Yeah, I get the food court already, so this is what the mall have to offer us. So let's check it out. And this is Woodbine Mall, my people. I never been that side already. So right now, people, just go exit the mall then. So I think we got everything from this mall. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video and like up the like button and share it and stuff. Alright, my people. But yeah, people, look out for the new show called Pain. It's dropping soon. I was trying to get it done this week, but I need some wireless mics. So like I said in the previous video, I need some mics to get that video done, because we can't, the production we're going to use to do that video, you know, is a higher production compared to these type of vlogging. But we'll always get this vlogging done on the channel too. So I like we're going to replace all of the videos, but we're just going to add an extra episode for that for the YouTube, because the one day I will be more in depth and stuff like that. You understand? And again, the series that I call Pain, and that going to be produced by the director Jay Show, but all of that will be placed on this channel also at the end of the day. But it's gonna be a one-man army again, you know, to shoot them type of content there. So we're gonna try our best to get really high quality video for that one, high quality episodes for that one at the end of the day. So we just gotta try to make it work, you understand? Yeah. But I want to people in the mall still. Don't see a lot of people here at the end of the day. I don't know if this guy's at my car right now, cause we gotta go. So yeah, my people. Let's see. Let's see the artist. We gotta go now to go shoot. Woodbine racetrack. Gotta get some clips over there. And then yeah. But again, my people, keep on supporting the channel. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be dropping new content every week over on the channel at the end of the day. So yeah, bless up to everybody. That was a full walkthrough mall tour of Woodbine Mall. So if you like the content, just like and share, please. Bless up on yourself. At a good